So check this out, right, y'all. Let me tell y'all this. Let me give y'all this secret. Look, once you get the ball rolling, meaning once you have been being consistent for a short amount of time, or maybe a long amount of time, but once you are being one way consistently, meaning being great, being awesome, being amazing, knowing that you are God in the flesh, once you've been doing that, let me tell you what will begin to happen. Doors that you never imagined will begin to open for you. And once those doors begin to become open, all of the greatness, all of the accolades, and all of the manifestations will begin to pour in. And you will begin to, like, your finances will begin to increase, and you will be wondering, like, how did this even happen? You will be just thinking things like that. But you may not think things like that, because you will understand that you apply certain techniques that, I like to call it the cause and effect law. Like, you put out what you was looking to manifest. So when it happened, you wasn't that surprised. But what I'm here to tell you is this: it is much easier for great things to happen once you have been in the paradigm and in the energy, of being one way. Now, it's harder. That's right. It's much harder when you first trying to start something off. Now, think about it like this. Like, when you first made a decision, or you had an idea that you wanted to change, it may felt a little more straining. You may had a lot of more negative thoughts, and it was more hard. I look at it like, it's like when you first start going to the gym. Like, you don't really want to go to the gym. You really don't want to work out. But see, once you get in the habit of working out, it becomes more habitual. You look forward to going to the gym. Your body feels good. But when you first start working out, your body feels uncomfortable. You may get muscles and sore aches and things like that. That's because it's something new. So I'm here to tell you that when you start in anything fresh, it's gonna feel more complicated. But once you get going, it's gonna be a whole lot more easier. Like, let's just say, if you've been only making, like, let me just say, $20,000 a year. Once you get in the algorithm and the flow of that, you can make $20,000 in 5 minutes, or you can make $20,000 in 1 minute. This type of stuff is possible, y'all. I'm telling y'all what I know. I done seen it. I done physically seen it before, y'all. So it's like, it's much easier to obtain financial success, or not even financial success, but any type of success is much easier to obtain it and to receive it once you have been in the habit of doing it. Like I just said, like, you can make $20,000 in a month, $20,000 in a day. I done seen people that made $50,000 in a day, and they didn't put in as much effort as somebody who is only making $50,000 a year.